What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Easy PowerPlan before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Easy PowerPlan works. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you Easy PowerPlan review, why you should benefit from this latest technology. An Easy PowerPlan is a simple device that can be used by any family around the world and can even change the course of the entire energy industry. Over the past year, over 17,000 people have also already successfully used the very same technique to get over tragic milestones such as hurricanes, snowstorms, or floods. Based on the technology we use on a daily basis, not only can it generate enough power to last through long harsh winters when temperatures outside go below zero, but it can ameliorate your power bill all year long.